What if I told you that in the next 30 minutes, you're gonna watch me build a complete online store from scratch? From the product page, branding, offers, literally everything. And this exact same setup is what's responsible for stores doing $500 a day or more. Now, what I'm about to show you is gonna make literally any excuse that you have had in the past about starting pretty much invalid. The three reasons why people never actually start is because one, they get stuck on building a store, then they get stuck finding a product, and they get stuck on finding or getting customers. But all three of those problems are going to be solved for you today. All right, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is build our store. And the best part is that building a store is easier and faster than it's ever been. And what I'm about to show you builds your store for you, and it preloads it with winning and trending products that are ready to sell. All right, so to get started with this, what we're going to be using is a tool called AutoDS. Now, AutoDS is pretty much going to be the one that's doing all of this heavy lifting for us. And if you do want to follow along, the link to sign up is going to be down in the description below. It's a really quick and fast sign up. And the moment that you're done, you're going to see exactly what I'm seeing right now. So what we're going to do to start up our store is going to be up here. For you, it's probably going to say add store, but for me, it has a few different stores. Now, when we do click on add store, this is what we're all going to see. So we're going to see select your store type. For this, we are going to use Shopify, and then we're going to go ahead and click on continue, and we're going to choose the middle option. Now, there's two other options, but those are the manual way of doing things. We're going to go the AI route and go ahead and click on continue. And now from here, we need to choose a niche. Now, when it comes to choosing a niche, I always suggest that you go with something that you know a little bit about, because if you just go with something that looks like it's going to make money and you know absolutely nothing about that niche or category, then at the end, you might be losing money. You might be losing time simply because you're going to look at a product and you're going to think this is fantastic. But there's a strong possibility that that product that you think is awesome and great might be one that's just something that everyone already uses. So it's always good to know a little bit about the niche that you're getting into. We want to be able to identify products that actually solve a problem, and of course have a wow factor sometimes. So my favorite out of all of these is always going to be pets, because to me it's actually very easy to market. Everyone has pets. Ads with dogs or cats in them do pretty well, simply because, again, who doesn't love a cute pup? So let's go ahead and from here click on continue, and now we're going to choose two different banners for our website. I like this one over here, and I also like this one, because this one down here is going to show that we service or we sell products for both dogs and cats. And the top one is just pretty comical. So go ahead and continue. And now we actually need to create a Shopify account. Now from here, what we're going to do is click on Access Shopify. And whether you have an existing account or you're brand new to Shopify, you're going to open up a new store, whether it be, again, under an existing account, an existing email, or a new one. So I'm going to do mine under an existing one. But the process is pretty much going to be exactly the same. I'm going to get 3 days free, and then it's going to be $1 a month for 3 months. So it's going to be $3 for the next 3 months. These promotions always change. So by the time that you sign up, it might be a little bit different. It might be the same, but either way, there's always something going on. Now I'm going to be creating a brand new account. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a password. All right, now once it takes us to the screen, we can go back, and then from here, we can go ahead and click on continue. And then we're going to access Shopify plans through here. Okay, so now it's going to take us to this screen, which is essentially the same one that we just saw, except I do prefer to go this route just because it's a little bit easier. It's a little bit more straightforward. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up with PayPal in my case. And just so you know, we are signing up for the basic plan. The basic plan is going to have everything that you need and more. So you don't need any of the more expensive plans, at least not yet. Now, once we're on the screen, we can go back to AutoDS and then once again, click on continue. Now we're going to install the AutoDS app. Again, super easy. Just click on the button, click on install, and then from here, once again, click install. All right, so now it's actually going to redirect us directly to AutoDS. So from the Shopify page, it's taking us back to AutoDS, and then it's going to take us to the AI customization page where we can click on customize my store. Now, after that, we're going to go ahead and once again, click on access Shopify. And what we're going to do now is simply remove the password protection. So it's going to be this over here. Going to uncheck that and click on save. All right, so now our store is going to be accessible by everyone, including AutoDS. Now we're going to click on continue. And that's pretty much it. Our store from here is going to be live. So we can go ahead and click on access my store, and we can check out the finalized store. As you can see, it's pretty quick, very simple. My suggestion from here though is going to be to make sure you just go through everything and make sure that everything is accurate for your brand, your vision, and whatever it is that you want on store itself. So this already comes complete with branding. It comes with your offers. It comes with literally everything. So let's just do a quick tour. So if you scroll, well, actually, if you check out the first one over here, we're going to see the two banner images that we chose, and it has some text. We can click on shop now. Has some pretty nice animated buttons. Everything down here is animated. You can keep scrolling. You're gonna see it's a pretty nice layout. Everything is very nicely structured. The colors are good. It's not overbearing. There's not too much text on one side or too many images on the other, like I've seen in some other dropshipping stores. And then we can see our mission. This right here adds a little bit of trust to our brand. We have some trust badges, and we also have some reviews and a bit more information. Now, one of the best parts about this is that our policy pages are already included. And this is something that a lot of people forget. And this is legally something that you need to add. If not, you can actually get fined for this. So if we look over here, we have our privacy policy. And here we have our entire privacy policy already made out. I do suggest though that you go through this and you look for anywhere that you need to change either the brand name or any addresses, any contact information. You always need to make sure that stuff is up to date so that way customers can contact you if they need to. So let's go back home and let's actually start checking out the catalog. So if we click on catalog over here, we're gonna have the different products that we're offering. These are all, again, products that are hand-picked, products that are sourced from our private suppliers. So you can expect, for one, fast shipping, and two, quality products. So if we keep scrolling, we're gonna see a few of the different products that we have available that we're gonna be offering. Let's click into this one really quick. And then here we have our product. It's currently on offer. It's currently on sale from $45 to $43.99. You have a few different bundle and save options. Of course, we can't edit all of this if we choose to. If you scroll down a little bit, we have our reviews, a bit of information on the product itself. This part right here is great because it's not overbearing, just like I mentioned earlier. Sometimes some stores have a ton of information on the right and a ton of images on the left, and it just looks so bad. But this looks great. Scroll down, you have a quick comparison with other brands, why customers love us. And that's pretty much it. We also have up here our animated banner, which is also a nice touch. Now, when we do decide to edit any of this information, we can go back to our Shopify store. And then under online store, we can click on the edit theme button. Once we're under edit theme, we can go ahead and click on anywhere. We can make any adjustments. Let's say over here, we don't want anything with grooming and care because we're not going to offer this. We can either change the information directly on here. So we could just put toys for play. We can change the image up here if we choose to as well. We can select from library. We can make it something more toy related like that one. And we can keep making adjustments as we need to. And that's pretty much it. You saw how quick that was? It literally took us, I want to say, less than even 10 minutes. And it actually could have been a lot quicker than that if I didn't just keep talking. Now, here's where I know a lot of you are going to have lots of questions. You've got the store, you've got the products, but how do you actually get people to find it? How do you sell these? How do you market it? And the honest answer is content and ads. That's how you drive traffic, and that's how you get sales. Now, I'm not gonna do a deep dive into this full ad strategy simply because that deserves its video on its own, and we'll be dropping that a little bit later on. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you stay tuned for that. But let me give you the foundation so that way you understand what you're working towards. When it comes to getting traffic, you basically have two paths. You have organic content, posting on TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and then you have paid ads on platforms like Facebook or TikTok or even Snapchat. Organic is free, but it takes time to build. Paid ads are faster, but they require a budget. And here's the thing that most people don't talk about. Your ad creative, meaning the actual video or image that people see, is responsible for literally 80% of your results. A great product with a bad ad is still gonna struggle. But a solid product with a great ad that connects emotionally, that's where the money is. And the way I personally create ad content right now has completely changed thanks to a tool that we're using now called CreateUGC. Simply because one of the hardest parts of running ads is getting real looking video content. People talking about the product, reviewing it, recommending it. That kind of content converts incredibly well because it feels real and trustworthy. But it used to mean having to hire creators, sending out products, waiting weeks, doing it yourself, and spending hundreds or maybe even thousands of dollars because you have to pay for the product and you have to pay for the creator. Now, CreateUGC lets you create that same style of content using AI avatars. Real looking people talking directly about your product in a UGC style that actually converts. And best of all, feels natural. All without filming anything yourself and without, thankfully, having to hire anybody. And best of all, in the fraction of the time, you can do this in bulk. So when you're ready to start running ads, this is how you're gonna create content at scale without breaking the bank. This is honestly one of the most efficient setups that you can run right now, combining AutoDS and CreateUGC as someone that's just starting out. All right, so all the links that you need, AutoDS and CreateUGC, are going to be down in the description below. So make sure you go check them out. And if you want to see a full-on strategy video where we break down everything that you need to know to succeed in dropshipping, literally from A to Z, then check out this video right here.